Colonel Patay, andito si Colonel Patay eh. So, ang sinabi nyo dito sa news article nyo, nakalagay dito, pag kay patay ka, kay patay. So, ilan ang namatay
More than
doon?
100 po.
Manuel, ang mga namatay is like?
More than 100 po.
Ano yun, during police operation?
During police operations.
My goodness, here is Mr. Mugato accusing you of more than 100 people who were killed during your time.
Cooperate because you're not answering my query. And
Your Honor, hindi po actually binitbit. May order po yun galing ng Krami.
correct, of course, I know. Hindi naman pwede yun eh.
So, may binabasa ako sa routers eh. Manuel, Manny. O kasi dito sa ano nyo, hindi report, news article, na mention nyo si Colonel Colonel Patay, andito si Colonel Patay eh. So, ang sinabi nyo dito sa news article nyo, nakalagay dito, ewan ko kung totoo to ha, pag kay patay ka, kay patay. Ayan, nakalagay dito. Tapos, were you in, natatawa si Colonel. Colonel, you were assigned sa Station 6, ng Batasan. Dito sa, no?
Yes, sir.
And during that time of your incumbency in that place, ilan ang patay? Ilan yung mga naging, sa operation nyo?
I cannot give the exact data.
Well, dito sa report nila, meron nakalagay na data. It's like hindi ko na makita pero parang merong out of 100 something, parang 86 yung inyong is that correct? Parang ganon ang report?
Your Honor, correct po kasi meron po kaming kopya ng mga police report nila.
So ilan ang namatay
More than
doon?
100 po.
Sa span of what?
Sa Station 6.
Hindi, span of what time? Baka naman 3 taon yan, o 5
Ay,
taon.
hindi po. Sandali lang po sila sa Station 6.
Ilang months kayo sa Station 6?
Less than a year, Your Honor. Less than a year, Your Honor. Walang isang taon po.
Less than a year. Less than a year. And during that time, Manuel, ang mga namatay is like?
More than 100 po.
Ano yun? During police operation?
During police operations. Kasi may police report po kaming nakuha. Binibigay po nung that time, over 100 po yung napatay. Kasi yung mga pangalan po nung involved sa operation nandun po, pare-parehas yung pangalan nila. At lahat po itong kasama sa operations, handpick daw po ni General Bato de la Rosa from Davao City.
Pwede bang sabihin nyo sa amin yung inyong data tungkol dyan? Police report na yan, ng kopya.
Yung mga police report, mga...
Can you submit the copy to us, please?
Ay, wala po akong kopya nun.
So, Colonel Patay, prior to this assignment, were you on what station?
I was assigned at Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Davao del Norte, bago ka mapunta sa Quezon City.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, bali, so will you confirm the statement of Manuel
I cannot
Patay?
confirm, Your Honor.
So, most likely, we'll be asking the, also yung record nung sa kanila siguro.
Wala rin silang record. Baka may record to si Colonel Patay. Yung sinasabing record ni Mr. Mugato, meron ba kayong record nun, Colonel?
Wala na po, Your Honor. We submitted
Wala na
all the
kayong
reports.
police record nun?
All
Ba,
the
hindi
records
pwede
were...
mawalan kayo ng police record niyan.
All-
Bira, dapat yan, record na yan, nakatago yan sa inyo. Hindi pwedeng sunugin nyo yan. Nasaan yung mga records?
Your Honor, the records were submitted to a higher office and
Now, you also have a copy of that. Even if you submit to the higher office, you should have a copy of that as an official file in your own station. My goodness, here is Mr. Mugato accusing you of more than 100 people who were killed during your time. Then you ought to produce the record because they have their own records. Sila hindi nila makita. Pero ikaw, dapat meron kayo niyan, Colonel Patay.
Your Honor, I have no personal records. All were left
No,
at
I'm
the
not,
police station, Your Honor.
I'm not referring to personal records. I am referring to the records that you have in your police station. Who is the police station commander now?
I cannot identify, Your Honor.
You cannot know?
Identify the recent station commander of Station 6.
Then this committee is asking you to get a record of that. Or else, we're going to hold you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, okay,
Mr. Chair.
Colonel Patay,
Mr. Chair.
ano na lang, most likely alam mo rin naman 'yon kasi how many assignments did you have already during your time of being a what you call ano ba tawag diyan, police director? Police director ka, di ba?
Station commander,
Ay,
sir.
station commander. So ilang istasyon ang pinuntahan mo sa karir mo?
7, 4, CR. 6, 4,
Meron na bang 5?
8 assignments, Your Honor.
So 8 assignments.
After
Oh.
station commander of
So
Station
can you
6.
kindly give us siguro you can consult with your higher authorities to give us yung mga records para at least malaman natin, ma-confirm natin, baka mamaya hindi naman na totoo yung mga sinasabi ng routers. And we are just basing we just wanted to give you the benefit of the doubt that the report that was given was reported by routers were not true. At least this is your chance para patunayan na hindi totoo yung sinulat. But were you aware of this article that was written against you by the router? Kasi medyo mabibigat yung mga salita dito. Have you read about this? Ay, hindi nyo wala mababasa. Kasi may mga lengguwahe dito na mabibigat yung mga salita dito against your group na sinasabi nila that yun na nga, patay kayo kay patay. Tapos at the same time, yung grupo nyo talagang ang skill is to kill. Parang mga ganun na sinasabi dito And that's the reason why I'm giving you a chance, no? Because in the spirit of fairness, no, of this committee, we are giving the benefit of the doubt to our PNP. Ako, being the chairman of the Public Order and Safety, we wanted to protect the integrity of the organization. And nagulat lang ako na mabasa ko ngayon tungkol sa iyo. And being here right now, it's my opportunity to ask you kung talagang totoo itong mga sinasabi dito sa news na to. And this was written by the routers. Kaya I hope that you will be able to bring us all the documents pertaining to this accusation to clean your name.
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Fernandez,
Yes.
Congressman Busita would like to interject, being a police colonel himself. No? So
Thank you.
you have to make a motion. You can make a motion right now.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. By the way, Mr. Chair, before my motion, tanong ko lang, Mr. Chair, kay Colonel Patay. Kailan po kayo na-assign sa Station 6, UCPD?
Sometimes last July 2016, Your Honor.
Until?
Sometimes in 2017, but I cannot recall the exact month, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Chair, I move na ang i-direct po natin to submit those records dito po sa alleged operations with casualties. Mr. Chair, yung pong director ng QCPD.
So there's a motion given by Congressman Busita. Do I hear any objection? Hearing none, it is approved. Therefore, I withdraw my statement a moment ago. No? Advice ko lang sa iyo, kung hindi totoo yung sinasabi nitong si Mr. Mugato, demanda mo ng libel. Hindi totoo yan
In fairness with
Hindi totoo, di ba?
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, in fairness naman with Manuel Mugato, ang sumulat po noon ay si Claire Baldwin and Andrew Marshall. Do you know these people?
Yes, Your Honor. Si Andrew Marshall po nasa London na. At si Claire Baldwin ay nasa US na. They were the ones who interviewed that story. And I also know for a fact that Colonel Patay was interviewed in Pampanga during that time. After, I think, several months after he left.
Inamin niya.
I don't know. I'm not privy to the interview. But the interview was arranged by our stringer, si Jess Malabanan, who is also from Pampanga. And si Jess ay nagsumbong sa amin na natakot siya kasi parang nagalit daw si Colonel Patay na bakit mo ako pina-interview dyan, napahamak tuloy ako.
Ayun. So you remember this, Colonel Patay? Kasi meron ka pa, may babanggitin pa ako para at least to give justice sa iyo rin, ha? O tinan mo, when asked what was so special about the Davao Cops, he smiled and said, special kill skills. Sinabi mo ba to?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, so yun na nga. So, well, at least nabanggit mo dito, Colonel Patay, itong mga ganitong klase ng sitwasyon. Kasi the members are being given this report at this worries us as well. Dahil sa mga sitwasyon that we are talking about that nagja-jive doon sa mga sinasabi ng ating mga witnesses. At any rate, Mr. Chairman, since wala na rin pala yung mga writers na to, bakit ba sila umalis po? Umalis po sila o na-assign sila? What happened to them?
They were only assigned here for that special report. They were here for 17 months from July.
So they're not Filipinos?
They're not Filipinos.
Okay.
Si Andrew po ay British at si Claire ay American.
Oh, you remember that somebody interview you during
Yeah.
that time, ang mga Americans?
Yes, I can remember, Your Honor, but I did not get angry about that.
But you don't remember anymore the discussion?
Particular on that statement you asked me. I did
Are you
not-
sure? Hindi mo natandaan?
I did not say so.
So hindi mo lang natatandaan yung content ng conversation ng interview. But you remember the time that you were interviewed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sige, Mr.
Mr.
Chair.
Chair. Mr. Chair.
Is Batasan Station 6 includes the Batasan complex?
Yes, Your Honor. It includes the Batasan complex.
Okay,
We secured the outside
before we
perimeter, Your
call
Honor.
Congresswoman Castro, there's an interjection that Congressman Carabs would like to say.
Thank you, Chairman. This is just in relation to the query made by Chairman Dan. Colonel Patay, I mentioned a while ago that before you were assigned in Station 6, you were then assigned in Davao.
Please pardon, sir.
Your assignment before Station 6 was in Davao,
Davao del Norte in
Davao del
particular.
Norte. Specifically, where? And
Tagum
what is
City,
Davao? Tagum
Davao
City.
del Norte, Your Honor.
Davao del Norte. And what is yung Provincial Police Office?
Different stations and offices in the
No,
provincial.
before Station 6.
Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Tagum City. You're the Chief of Police of Tagum City.
Yes, Your Honor.
Before as Chief of Police of Tagum City, anong assignment po?
Chief of Investigation Section, Your Honor, of the
Now-
province of Davao del Norte.
Ng Davao.
Davao del Norte in
Davao del
particular.
Norte. Is Tagum City component city under the provincial command? When you were the Chief of Police that time of Tagum City, are you under the Provincial Police Office or in the regional office?
Sakop po ng probinsya, sir, is not a component city.
Sakop ng
Probinsya
probinsya.
ng Davao del Norte, sir.
Sino yung provincial director mo that time?
During my time, Police Senior Superintendent Gadingan, Your Honor.
Is he active?
Retired already, Your Honor.
Retired. So, matagal ka pala sa Davao. Mga ilang taon ka doon?
Almost of my career, I was assigned in Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mindanaoan ka.
Visayas, Your Honor.
Visayas, where from Visayas?
Secure, Your Honor.
Secure. Okay. Si Buano speaking.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi po, ang tanong kanina sa iyo is yung sa Station 6 and allegedly by the Reuters, mga may isang daan po ang namatay daw during your stint as the chief of Station 6, no? Station 6. That time anong rank mo? Major?
Superintendent, Your Honor.
Superintendent? Light colonel na?
Lieutenant Colonel, Your Honor.
Ngayon, full colonel na.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyway, kasi it's a serious accusation, Mr. Chairman, against Colonel Patay. Kasi galing siyang Davao, then he was assigned July lang in Station 6, Quezon City. And that was the time also that the former president sits as the incumbent president. That was in July also. And ang record, ako, in my own personal knowledge, marami po yung mga inassign kaagad kung saan-saan. Kaya, Colonel, ganito lang po. We don't have conclusions, no, but please cooperate with this committee. Especially if some names, no, yung mga pangalan ay lalabas, na bit-bit mo, I'm not accusing you, I'm just telling you na please cooperate because if names ay lumabas and some of them will confirm that indeed they were assigned here in Metro Manila or particularly in Quezon City with you, ito pa pala, during a stint from Davao del Norte, may bit-bit kang tao. Kasi usually may bit-bit tayo niyan, di ba? Mga bata-bata. Mayroon ka ba?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Who are those names? Who are those?
Some already retired, Your Honor.
No, I'm asking the names. I'm not asking if they're active or not. Who are those names? Ilan po sila?
I think, Your Honor, to be
No,
make sure.
you don't think because alam mo yun. And that happened 7 years ago. O, Colonel,
Yes, Your Honor.
please name names. Or else today, some members might be obliged to cite you in contempt for refusal to answer relevant questions. That is letter C, our rules in contempt.
The rank, Your Honor, I cannot memorize.
No, I
the
don't
rank.
need the rank now, but I can get it surely. Names muna. What are those names?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino nga? Please name names.
Congressman Carab, baka maalala niya pag binanggit ko isa-isa. Pwede ko mabanggit ng isa-isa, no ha? Okay.
Hindi, ganito. No, coming from him. Colonel, paki-cooperate because you're not answering my query and refusal to answer relevant questions in this committee is in violation of our rules and the members can cite you in contempt in violation of letter C of our rules in contempt. Oh, please name the names.
Your Honor, hindi po actually binitbit. May order po yun galing ng Krami.
Correct. Of course, I know. Hindi naman pwede yun eh. Just like what happened with General Mariano and Cobradilla. Nabitbit nila yung tao nila. Then the rest is history. Ngayon natanggal sa serbisyo. Ngayon tinatanong ko sa iyo, it's either retired, awol, summary dismissal, ang case ng mga taong yon. Who are those names? Hindi pwede, Colonel. We are not born yesterday that you will not remember all those names or those person that you brought from Mindanao going here. Oh, pumili ka lang or else may quorum pa ba tayo? You will be cited in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor. Ralph Piñero,
Oh, Ralph Biniero. Sino
Dinis
pa po?
Pal,
Sino? Please.
Dinis Pal,
Dinis Pal.
Owen Molinos,
Owen Molinos.
Richard Timon.
Oh. May listahan si chairman pala eh. Kung kulang mamaya, di sabihin ni chairman. Kung kulang. Sino pa po? Isang team yan, di ba?
Emmanuel Ibit, Your Honor.
Emmanuel Ibet.
Retired already.
Yeah. Sino pa?
That's all I can remember, Your Honor.
From now, for now, that's all you can remember. Mr. Chairman, since the names was mentioned by Colonel Patay, may we ask the PNP to check the service records of all those mentioned names? The rank, previous assignment, and if active in service, present assignment. At the same time, Mr. Chairman, all those, if ever there are names that was mentioned, was dismissed, the circumstances of the dismissal, kung retirement po, pakilagay na lang po rin yung retirement. Submit po ASAP before the next hearing. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I still
Yes,
have one last question.
Interjection
I still have
doon.
the,
Mr. Chair.
the floor.
Interjection lang po
They
doon
just
sa
borrowed my
invite.
time.
Interjection lang daw si Congressman
Yes.
Castro.
Siguro Mr. Chair, dahil hindi naman maalala ni Colonel Patay no yung lahat, baka pwede rin itong aside from yung status nito from the PNP, baka pwede rin po natin itong pa-invite. Kasi doon sa nabasa natin sa routers no, alam mo, katulad nito, si Charles Owen Molino, siya yung nagsabi ng special skills to kill, di ba? Nandoon sa ano, si Charles Owen Molinos, si Michael Maderable, Ronnie Bangat. Please take note po paano natin to sa PNP. June Ralph Pinheiro, Emmanuel Ibit, Renante Solomon, Dennis Pal, at saka itong Richard Timon. Ito yung may pinakamaraming operations na na-involve ng ang patayan. So, hindi niya po nabanggit, Mr. Chair. Kaya,
Are you
pwede
making
po
a
natin
motion to
patawag.
invite them in this committee?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, I move to invite those who have mentioned to this as the next committee meeting, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion. Is there any objection? Hearing none,
Second
same is
motion.
approved. Okay, go ahead, Congressman Fernandez, if you still have one question to ask.
Mr. Chair.
Wala pa. So, Congressman Busita, while
Thank you.
Congressman Fernandez is thinking of what question is going to ask, I'd like to
Thank you, Mr.
recognize you
Chair.
now.
Colonel Patay, less than a year ka nag-station chief sa Station 6 QCPD. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
During your assignment in Station 6 QCPD, ilan yung target accomplishment ninyo weekly on anti-illegal drugs?
Actually, we don't have target, Your Honor. It depends on the information that will be coming in to our office.
Okay, kung wala kayong target accomplishment, more or less, ilan ang accomplishment ninyo weekly?
I cannot give the exact numbers, Your Honor, because it's been a long time ago.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.
Wala kayong kota.
Wala po, Your Honor. Not pressured, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Oo.
I'm sorry, may nalimutan lang po ako.
Sige po.
If I may. Colonel Patay, during your assignment in Station 6, nabigyan ka ba ng award, Best Officer or Best Station Chief?
I have awards, Your Honor, but I cannot give the exact award that was given to me.
Okay. Sa palagay mo, mga ilang beses kang nabigyan ng award?
I cannot count. I cannot give the exact numbers, Your Honor.
So yung award na ito, lahat related sa anti-illegal drugs operations, right?
Not all, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Chair, pwede po bang mapag-submit natin ang director ng QCPD doon po sa awards na na-receive ni Colonel Patay during his assignment in Station 6, Mr. Chair?
Are you making a motion on that? There's a motion here. No objection? Hearing none. Same is approved.
Ito, last na po, Mr. Chair.
Oo.
Colonel Patay,
Bagay yan, bagay yan, bagay. Ang tanong ko lang, in relation to question, were you assigned as the Batasan Station Commander and you were directed to go and arrest those drugs pushers, whatever it might be? May assignment ka bang ganun?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay. Go ahead, Congressman Fernandez.
Okay, last na po to, Mr. Chair, at I will give way to Congresswoman Franz Castro. Meron kasi nabanggit dito, Colonel Patay, na binanggit mo. Ang sabi mo rito, we are very angry about people involved in drugs. Patay told Reuters, raising his voice and spitting out the words for emphasis. We want to crush them. That's our indoctrination. Ang tanong ko, merong indoctrination na nangyayari during that time?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So you deny these words?
Yes, Your Honor.
Reuters, kayo ba kapag nag-interview kayo, nire-record nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a record of this?
I don't have because
No, I
I
mean
was not
the,
the one who interviewed Colonel
Yes,
Patay.
I know. But those people who have interviewed Colonel Patay use a recording device or ano? Can you kindly ask them if
Yes,
they have
Your
the
Honor.
recording equipment that was involved during the interview? Can you ask them?
I will try, Your Honor.
Okay, because
I
Colonel
have-
Patay, if you are lying under oath in this committee, we will be compelled talaga to cite you in contempt. So if that interview that was done with you during that time involved a recording device or cell phone or whatever, malalaman mo yun, di ba? So was there a device to record all your interviews?
I could not remember the
Okay.
exact interview, Your Honor.
But you are telling us that
There
yung
was
mga
an
nakasulat dito ay walang katotohanan.
Hindi ko po matandaan po, Your Honor.
Kanina sabi mo walang katotohanan
You
eh.
deny it.
Tapos ngayon sinasabi mong ano, Colonel, we have to remind you, ayan na naman tayo.
Chairman.
We want to protect
Just
the
interject.
organization, but of course, kapag may mga nakikita kami nagsisinungaling, pasensya na po kayo, but we have to reform the organization.
There is an
Colonel.
interjection of
Colonel,
Congressman
be
Karat.
truthful. Kung sinabi mo yun, during that time, you were so eager to cleanse the
Chairman.
di ba? Kung talagang nasa puso mo nalilinisin yung ginagawa, it's your right. But of course, under the rule of law, dapat tama. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kaya-
There may be emphasis, Your
Pero
Honor.
dito dapat hindi ka babago-bago ng mga statement mo kasi nahuhuli tayo sa ganyan eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we are counting on the words that you have manifested in this hearing. And so with you, Manuel Mugato, we are Mr. Chair, I move that we subpoenaed the article or the recording device that was used by the Reuters on that interview that was done with Colonel Patay. I
There's
so
a
move.
motion, hearing, any objection, hearing none, so is approved.
Chairman-
Congressman Karat, do you have any interjection?
No, Mr. Chairman, I will not oppose the motion made by the good chairman of the Public Order and Safety. But yung question of subpoena, sinasabi na nga ni Mr. Mugato na wala siyang hawak ngayon yan. Kahit yung Reuters, mayroon ba? Kaya yun yung problema na Mr. Chairman, to be fair, at ako, sinasabi ko lagi, to ask pa Colonel Patay, sino bang pumalit sa iyo doon? Kasi nagpatayo pa ako ng gym dyan eh. Ako nagpasilitate ng gym. Diyan ngayon na nakatayo. Because I've been supporting the police. Pero sigurado ako hindi sa time mo. Baka yung pumalit sa iyo. But Mr. Chairman, just to be fair to everyone, at saka doon sa mga resource persons, the burden of proof for Colonel Patay to confirm or will be pitted with regards to that accusation is Mr. Mugato, not Colonel Patay. He has to produce the document or else hearsay yan. Diba? Hindi pwede dito na, of course, sabihin mo si Colonel Patay, ganitong sinabi niya, blah, 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 siya. But where's your proof? Diba? Yeah, the burden of proof is with Manuel Mugato, Mr. Chairman, not with Colonel Patay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
That's why, Mr. Mugato, we're not referring to subpoena you, but we are asking Roter to provide because Roter has a record of it. Can you do that, Mr. Mugato?
Your Honor, maybe the committee can write Reuters about this.
Okay, we're going to write a letter. We'd like to find out if what you're saying is true and that Colonel Patay here is actually denying the truthfulness of your account. So once again, I'd like to ask Colonel Patay, Are you denying it or you do not know?
Cannot remember.
I cannot.
Cannot remember. Are you denying it now? Because a moment ago you were denying that you said it. Now you cannot remember. So what is true here?
Your Honor, I cannot exactly remember the words that I uttered, Your Honor.
So therefore you were actually rejecting your first statement that you're denying that you said it.
Yes, Your Honor, in the accuracy of the statement, Your Honor.
Because look, I will not hesitate to make a motion to contempt you. I will not hesitate to arrest you here and be one of the congressmen in this Congress. Oh, I'm not going to hesitate to arrest you and put you in ang tawag doon?
Custody.
In custody in this house. Because look, nakakalito ka na. Kanina, dinenay mo yon. Tinanong ka ni Congressman Fernandez. Ngayon, you said you do not even know. So what are you doing to us here? See, I'd like you to remember, Colonel Patay, that we have been elected by the people to investigate. This might not be a court. See? Because we're doing it in a legislation, yet we have the authority to investigate. And because of that, we have the authority to arrest and put you in contempt. So what are you saying now?
Your Honor, I cannot remember the exact words, Your Honor. The
Mr.
quotations.
Chairman, no, since the Colonel Patay is trying to change his manifestation a while ago, let it be a reminder to him that in the next query of any member of this committee, be precise on your answer. If you don't really know yet the answer, be sure that you will tell us that you are not yet sure sa mga sagot mo, para hindi naman po kami magkaroon ng feeling that we are being fooled dito sa hearing. And I think, Mr. Chairman, let's give him another chance, no? Since nag-manifest naman po siya na hindi na niya matandaan. Actually, meron pa akong tanong dito pero I don't want to ask you anymore. I just wanted to subpoena first yung mga dokumento na galing talaga sa routers. Kung meron talaga ngayong yung ni-record, para at least we can verify the answer of Colonel Patay.
So, Mr. Bugato, what is your answer to the query of Congressman Fernandez?
I'm not in a position to ask for the record. Maybe the committee can directly write to
We're
Reuters.
going to write a letter to Reuters and we'll hand it to you to give to them, okay? Because look, marami ka nang sinabi dito nung first hearing pa
Okay.
ang hirap niyan, nakikinig kami sa'yo, tapos wala kami makitang proof na sinasabi mo. O baka ikaw ay sa mga marites dyan. Okay? Pwede ba? Para naman maniwala ang taong bayan na totoo sinasabi mo.
Yes, Your Honor, because I'm basing my
Yeah,
testimony
Mr.
based on the
Bugato.
Reuters report.
Kawawa naman tong si Colonel Patay, if you're accusing him of more than 100 people under his watch that have been killed because of the war on drugs, then you don't even have a record of it. Kawawa po naman to na pinagbibintangan natin na wala kayong proof. So nais namin makuha yung ebidensyang yan. So we're going to write a letter, Comsec, about that, okay? Now I'd like to recognize Congresswoman Castro for her interpellation.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Tanong ko ulit si Colonel Patay. So, na-promote po ba kayo, Colonel, after po nung ng stay ninyo sa Batasan as station commander?
Wala po, kagad, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo na-promote?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo na...
Diyan, I was promoted
Nasaan na kayo ngayon?
sa Pro 11
Colonel.
po, Your Honor.
Sa?
Pro 11, Davao po, Your Honor.
Bumalik ka sa Davao.
Yes, Your Honor.
So during that time, during the war on drugs, dinala kayo dito sa Station 6. Sino ang nag-assign sa inyo sa Station 6 ng Batasan?
Camp Crame po, Your Honor.
Camp Crame. So
Yes,
sino
Your
po yung nakapirma doon sa pagpunta ninyo sa Batasan? Sino po ang nakapirma at nag-assign sa inyo?
It was issued by the Directorate for Personnel, Your Honor.
Alam niyo yung pangalan?
I cannot remember the director at that time, Your Honor.
Okay. Pwede bang malaman sa PNP ngayon, sino yung assigned ng Directorate for PNP during that time? Mr. Colonel Patay, so ano pong eksaktong date were you designate here in Batasan? Were you designated here in Batasan? July 2016 up to Para makuha
September
po
23, 2017, Your Honor.
July 2016?
July 8, 2016
Okay.
to September 23, 2017, Your Honor.
Okay, pwede pong makuha no yung pangalan nung sinasabi niyang nag-assign sa kanila doon through from the Krame.
Madam Chair, please allow us time to look for it. That's way back in 2016. Just to
Okay.
be sure about it.
So hindi niyo po talaga kilala? Hindi niyo po kilala yung nag-assign sa inyo? Pero time ito ni Bato.
Yes,
Time
Your
ito ni
Honor.
Senator ni former Chief Bato.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so bakit kaya kayo inassign from Davao? Pupunta kayo dito sa Batasan. Ano po kaya ang dahilan? Dahil meron kayong mga special skills.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so makikita natin yan ano kasi sa time po ninyo kasi kahit na less than a year po ito, daming patayan more than so sa nakita po natin na record po dito no. So more than 100 no yung mga napatay during your time lang. During the time Colonel Patay, so meron po ba kayong report noong tungkol doon sa mga police report kaugnay doon sa mga napatay doon sa war on drugs during your time po?
All our operations and activities were properly reported, Your Honor.
Yeah, so meron po kayong meron po kayong record.
Personally, Your Honor, I don't keep records. It were all left at the office, Your Honor.
Sa Batasan.
Yes, Your Honor.
So sa Batasan yung report during the time na mga napatay related to drugs. Nandoon po sa Station 6 Batasan. So papakuha po namin yung lahat ng reports kasi more than 100 ito no. Kung talagang meron kayong report no, Mr. Chair. Totoo ba? May report ba talaga kayo o wala?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Okay, ito Mr. Chair. Ay, nawala si Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
So, Mr. Chair, we would like to ask yung Station 6 sa ngayon na kukuhanin yung report about the killings or police report noong July 8, 2016 to September 23, 2017. Yeah. Comsec, have you, yung mga police report. So, ilang inquest po ang nangyari? Alam mo, ito sa more than 100 plus, more than 100 na mga nangyari pong killings dito sa Quezon City. So, ilan po yung na-inquest?
I cannot give the exact numbers of the inquest, Your Honor.
Pero nag-inquest.
There
Pero
were
nagkaroon ng
cases filed before the prosecution office, Your Honor. There were a lot of cases, drug-related cases and other cases, Your Honor, in violation of the law.
Okay. So, doon lang po sa sa ina-handle nyo po, no? Yung sinasabi ninyong nag-inquest, kung totoong nagkaroon po ng inquest at mga police report. So, saan po ito pinasang prosecutor? Alam din po ninyo kung saan-saan.
Specifically, I cannot identify, Your Honor, but it was in the jurisdiction of Quezon City, Your Honor.
In the
Jurisdiction of Quezon City.
jurisdiction of Quezon City.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, pag meron pong nangyaring namatay, yung suspect, drug suspect, napatay po during the operation. Di ba nakalagay sa manual ninyo na dapat magko-conduct ng inquest. So, sa lahat po ba ng operations na nangyari during your time, lahat po nagkaroon ng inquest? Ang prosecutor, kasi nakalagay yan sa ano po nyo, no? Nakalagay yan, Mr. Chair, doon sa manual. Nakalagay po dito. In fact, kami po ay nag-ano rin ng resolution, ang Makabayan, ano, na maimbestigahan din ito kasi mukhang doon sa mga interpellation natin, Mr. Chair, more than 6,000 yan, walang ano, no, walang sinasabing nag-inquest or nagkaroon ng inquest, or kung meron man ay limited. Nakalagay kasi dito sa manual, Mr. Chair, 'di ba, sa Chapter 3, Rule 15.4 of the Revised Philippine PNP Operational Procedures Manual 15.4, inquest proceeding necessary when the suspect dies. Kasi 'di ba maraming, sabi nyo, maraming mga nanlaban, maraming mga namatay. So nakalagay dito, in cases of armed confrontation, okay, wherein the suspect dies, the team leader of the operating unit shall submit the incident for inquest before the duty inquest prosecutor prior to the removal of the body from the scene, except in the areas where there is no inquest prosecutors, in which case the territorial police unit can proceed with the investigation. Okay, so malinaw po dito, no? Dun po sa 6,000, more than 6,000 po, no? Wala pong maisubmit sa atin, Mr. Chair, about the inquest, no? Kung nagkaroon man ng inquest. So ito nga lang, mag-focus tayo dito sa batasan, sa dami kasi nang namatay, Mr. Chair. Kasi for sure, sa bawat namatay dito sa Quezon City o elsewhere na malapit sa Quezon City, Mr. Chair, ay merong mga inquest prosecutor na dapat, kasi ito yung procedure ninyo, no? So, tinatanong natin, Mr. Chair, na kay Colonel Patay, itong mga sa operation ninyo during the war on drugs na more than 100 po ang namatay. So, sure po kayo nakapag-inquest or dinala nyo po yung case doon sa prosecutor? Nakapag-imbestiga po
For
ba
the
kayo?
inquest, Your Honor, after armed confrontation, we brought immediately the wounded suspects to the nearest hospital for the purpose of saving lives. And true enough, there were some lives of the wounded suspects were saved. So, yun po, Your Honor, ang nangyari.
Well, hindi po yun yung tinatanong ko. Ang tinatanong ko po yung inquest. Sa more than 100 po sa inyong responsibility, ilan po yung na-inquest?
I cannot give the numbers, exact numbers, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Chair, ano si Mr. Chair? Sino bang chairman? Chairman,
Go ahead.
mukhang hindi nagko-cooperate si Colonel Patay.
Hindi nakiki?
Nagko-cooperate. Hindi siya nagsumasagot sa tanong. So, pwede pa nating, Mr. Chair, sa susunod na pagpunta niya rito, no, yung mga tanong ko about doon sa operations nila mula July 8, 2016 to September 23, 2017 ay magbigay po ng ng report ang si Colonel Patay.
Starting
Doon
July,
starting po
July
noong
2016
July 8, 2016 up to
up to
September 23, 2017. So magbigay po ng report, no, doon sa more than 100 na suspect na napatay po during yung mga operation ng police po.
Okay, Colonel Patay, you were asked to, a while ago we asked you, no, to find a way to find out the veracity nung ang 108 na yun, no? Kasi kanina sinasabi din ng Reuters that was more than 100 yung mga deaths, no? So to submit to this committee, no, those incidents that happened during your incumbency on Station 6.
Sir,
Can you kindly do that?
Yes, sir. I don't have the access right now on the records at QCPD, sir.
But you are still an active officer, correct?
Yes, sir. But I don't
And
have
having
any.
having said that you are still a ranking officer of the PNP, you have access to all the records if you will be asking for it.
No, I don't have the access in the records.
But you can ask for it, correct?
I-
General Napoleon, General Bakay, can you kindly secure those documents that that happened during the time of incumbency of Colonel Patay in Station 6?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we'll include that in our reports that we will submit to this committee.
O
Mr.
yun,
Chair.
Congresswoman Francis, did that suffice your,
Yes,
Your query?
including, Mr. Chair, yung number of operations, yung mga police operations during that time, including also sino ba yung mga police during those operations. So kailangan nating malaman yun, Mr. Chair. Siyempre, para makita po natin kung talagang totoong nagkaroon ng inquest. Kasi, kaya nga Mr. Chair, nagkaroon ang Makabayan Coalition, block ng House Resolution para imbestigahan nga itong kawalan ng mga inquest doon sa mga incident ng namatay. So, anyone po na napatay during the encounter, dapat merong inquest. Okay? So, yun po yung hinahanap natin, Mr. Chair. So, kailan po yun mapaprocess o kailan po maisasubmit ng PNP, Mr. Chair?
Madam Chair, since we will be researching on this, suffice it to say, next week, Madam Chair, if you give us lead time, since this is, as you said, more than 100 case, and we have to look back at the case folders of these particular cases, Madam Chair.
Okay. Thank you po, Mr. Chair. So,